Ma'am, wala po kayong dokumentong hawak dahil nga binawi ni Colonel Lachiga. Tama po?
Binawi po niya, Your Honor, pero nakagawa na po ako ng liquidation, Your Honor. Nakasubmit na po kami sa COA, Your Honor. Every time po, meron kaming confidential, Your Honor.
Opo, ma'am.
Nakaliquidate po kami, Your Honor.
Opo, naunawaan ko po
Alright.
yan. Pero klaro lang po na binawi nga po niya kaya wala po kayong kopya.
Yes, Your Honor.
At yan po yung
Pagkatapos.
kinagawian na nyo noong 2022 last quarter, first, second, at third quarter ng 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Opo, tama. Okay. Kaya wala po kayong hawak na kahit anong dokumento ngayon dahil na kay Colonel Lachiga na at binawi po niya.
Ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ma'am, ito yung tanong daw. Ito yung tanong daw, ma'am. Hindi po ba kakaiba? Unusual. Na yung acknowledgement receipt babawiin ng taong pinagbigyan mo ng pera. You don't find it unusual?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Sustained. Sustained. Kindly
Yes, Honor.
reform counsel.
In Davao City, prior to 2022, hindi po ba, ma'am, same pa rin yung procedure na ginagawa nyo? Binibigay mo yung confidential funds sa isang security officer, and then sabi mo, may acknowledgement receipt, pero binabawi ng pinagbigyan mo yung acknowledgement receipt, kaya hindi mo hawak. Tama po ba sa Davao City? Practice nyo doon.
I will have to recall, Your Honor, kay matagal na po
Yes,
kasi
okay.
yun.
Ma'am, hindi po ba ito yung nagiging method of procedure? May Latin term po tayo dyan, ma'am, ha?
May,
Method of procedure, ito yung modus operandi nyo. Ibibigay yung pera sa isang security officer, hindi banded, tsaka babawiin, sinasabi mo, ng pinagbigyan ng pera ang acknowledgement receipt. Modus operandi in English, in simple English, it means method of procedure, nakagawian, practice, modus. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor. It's misleading because there's no testimony. The witness testified that she does not remember.
No? Counsel, we both know modus has a secondary and double meaning. We can always use, is this the standard operating procedure that you followed when you were SDO in both Davao and under the OVP? Ito,
Yes.
ito po ba yung kinagawian ninyong practice at proseso nung kayo po ay SDO ng Davao, kaugnayan ng confidential fund, at nung kayo ay SDO ng OVP, na yung pagbibigyan nyo, security officer o sino man, hindi banded, pipirma na acknowledgement receipt, at pag nagbigay na siya ng fund liquidation report, fund utilization report, at nakaliquidate na kayo sa COA, babawi na.
Opo, Your Honor.
Opo. Now, let me proceed.